Students, welcome to CS Academy. I am your Chandrasekhar. It's very special lecture for every student. Everyone is asking me that to create a video on GATE exam. Here, I will explain what is GATE exam, what is the need, what is the exam pattern, syllabus, marks, and time analysis of GATE. What are the different opportunities with the GATE exam, eligibility criteria, application fee, exam date, etc. Everything I will explain clearly in this video. Just follow till the end. Let's start the session. GATE in the sense that Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Each and every part I will explain clearly. Just follow video. Here, if we focus first the eligibility criteria, first thing, the aspirant who is going to apply the GATE exam should hold the bachelor degree or a master degree or even a final year student who is pursuing currently the BTech or BE can also apply the GATE exam. If we focus on exam dates, every year IITs, that is the prestigious institutions of India, release notification on the first week of September. Here you can see September 3rd, 2019. The opening of online registration and online application form is opened in this date. And after that, from the date of notification, nearly 20 to 25 days, the application will be available to the students to apply the GATE. If you want to fill the application after the closing date of application, you should pay some penalty along with the exam fee. And throughout the India, the GATE will be conducted in different cities along with 6 cities in abroad. And the examination pattern is purely computer based test and the only one paper. And if we consider the application fees, 750 for SC, ST, physically handicapped and female candidates, and the remaining candidates should pay 1500 rupees. And in GATE exam, total 25 streams are there along with engineering departments. Some other are like chemistry department, physics, mathematics, life sciences, biochemistry, food technology. Like the total 25 streams are eligible to write the GATE exam. Here, after writing the GATE exam, the scorecard will be valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of results. The GATE exam will conduct by IITs. Now here, how many IITs and what are the IITs conduct the GATE exam? Here, total 8 prestigious institutions are there in India. Those are 7 IITs and 1 IISc. These 8 prestigious institutions of India will conduct the GATE every year. Here I am showing you that the first column is the GATE conducting institute and all the remaining are the years which they already conducted the exam and are going to conduct the exam. Here if we see the sixth column, the 2016 IISc Bangalore conducted the exam and 2017 IIT Roorkee and IIT Guwahati conducted the exam in 2018 and 2019 IIT Madras, 2020 IIT Delhi, and the next coming year 2021 the IIT exam will be conducted by IIT Bombay. Here why I showed all these details means let's consider IIT Bombay is the GATE conducting institute in the year 2021. Everyone will get doubt that how will be the GATE paper of IIT Bombay? Yes or no? For that, what I am telling here is, you can see that IIT Bombay conducted GATE exam in 2013, 2005, 1999 and 1993. Like that, you can check those previous papers for the analysis. That is, how IIT Bombay distributed the marks, in which chapter and which subject they focused more. You can clearly get from the previous papers. This is the total on GATE exam conducting institutes. Now, let us consider you applied GATE through GOAPS website, that is GATE Online Application Processing System. You wrote the exam, you qualified and got very good marks. Then, what are the different opportunities after clearing the GATE exam? First of all, we want to know this. There are mainly two opportunities after clearing the GATE exam. The first one is public sector undertakings, and the second one is MTech and PhD program in different NITs. Let us consider the PSUs first. If you clear the cutoff of public sector undertakings, then there are plenty of PSUs will recruit you. Here I am showing you the list of PSUs department wise. If we consider the mechanical department, electronics, electrical, instrumentation, civil engineering, computer science, chemical engineering, like that, there are plenty of PSUs. Here, Baba Atomic Research Center, BAR, BEL India, that is Bharat Electronics Limited, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, BPCL, Cell, IOCL, HPCL, NTPC, AAI, Airport Authority of India, GAIL, SAIL, like that more number of PSUs will recruit you. This is the very good opportunities who cleared the gate with the cutoff of PSUs. And the second one is MTech program or PhD program in different IITs and NITs. Here, if you just qualify the GATE exam, you will get 12,500 as a stipend for MTech and 28,000 stipend for PhD candidates who are doing MTech or PhD in IITs and NITs. Some of IITs which you want to do MTech are IIT Bombay, Kharagpur, Kanpur, Delhi, IIT Madras, Roorkee, IISc Bangalore, IIT Guwahati. Like that, these are the prestigious institutes in India. You can get seat here and you can do MTech and you will get a good opportunity after clearing the MTech or PhD. Everything is fine here up to here, but first of all you have to know the analysis of GATE. That is, what are the questions asking in GATE, how the time is, how we have to maintain the time, what are the marks analysis, and everything you have to know. And next, I will explain you the analysis of questions, time, and marks. Here, if you see the total questions asked in the GATE exam is 65 and the marks is 100 and total time is 3 hours. That is total 180 minutes for 65 questions and to get 100 marks. Here, what you have to know means total 100 marks carry 180 minutes. That means each 1 mark carries 1.8 minute. That in the sense that 108 seconds. Here, if 1 mark carry 108 seconds in the sense that each 2 marks question carries 3.6 minutes in the sense that 216 seconds. Like that, if you are spending more time to clear the question and answer in the exam, you should not spend more than 216 seconds for 2 mark and 108 seconds for 1 mark. Like that, you have to manage the time. Like then and only you will definitely clear the exam. Otherwise, if you are spending 3 minutes or 4 minutes for 1 mark question, 10 minutes for 2 marks question, you can't clear because it is a time basis exam. So most of competitors will do based upon the time only. Now I will explain these 100 marks, how these 100 marks are distributed. Here I am dividing these 100 marks into two parts. Part A carries 25 to 30 marks and part B carries 70 to 75 marks. This part B is purely technical basis, that is different for different departments, but the part A is common for all departments. Again, part A carries two parts. First one is aptitude, general aptitude, and second part is engineering mathematics. Each of these part carries 15 marks and 15 marks. And engineering mathematics, you all know, you already studied in your graduation, and I will explain the aptitude here. Again, aptitudes carry two parts, that is the aptitude session and English subject session. Here in the aptitude, there are different and data interpretation, numerical computation, numerical reasoning, and numerical estimation. In the verbal ability, that is English subject, verbal analysis, antonyms, vocabulary, grammar, critical reasoning, like that. In in the part A, you will get 25 to 30 marks. Out of these 30 marks, you can definitely get 25 if you study with the analysis manner. Out of these total 65 questions, 35 questions are 2 marks and 30 questions are 1 mark. And if we see the cutoff as department wise, previously I told you that total 25 streams are there in the GATE exam. Here you can see total 25 streams are there, and each stream has different cutoff for different category wise. And this right side 3 columns are cutoff marks for different different category. And let us consider, I'm taking one example here, the 16th row, mechanical engineering. The 34 marks is cut off for general and EWS, economically weaker section, and 30.6 for OBC non-creamy layer, and 22.6 for SC, ST and physically handicapped. This cutoff is different in every year. This cutoff will depends on how tough the paper is and how easy the paper is. Don't feel stress during the exams. To avoid stress, take up exercises, meditation, like that. And don't be panicked by looking on the others' preparation, because some of your friends may show in front of you, even though they are not preparing, they may act like prepare during the preparation. This is most dangerous. Please avoid those type of friends. And if you get more stress, listen music. For motivation, just give 1 star mark to you once you complete the subject or each chapter. That means why I'm telling means, if you get more number of stars in the sense that you are clearing, you are completing your subject of GATE, your chapters of GATE quickly, and this will motivate you to study more and more and spending more time. If you implement good strategy, best planning, and value added ideas, then there will be definite growth in your future. You will reach your goal as early as possible. At every time, maintain a small smile as children on your face. It will make your mind smarter and faster. Finally, it is very easy to clear GATE exam even if you have zero knowledge. Just follow my videos. I am sure that I will definitely make you to learn something new in my CS Academy. In this exam, it is easy to qualify, but it is not so easy, it's not so tough. So, our focus on the exam may lead to our success. In the next coming videos, I will share with you the GATE examination tips and what are the books recommendation. Okay, thank you for watching my video.